Hi. So in this one, we'd also practice some margin calculation in Pandas libraries. And in this video, we'll create our own dataset with some fictional numbers. So let's begin it. So first we'll import our library, and NumPy would be a very crucial library for this particular video. So we have Pandas and NumPy. Let's import this. It might take some time. Wait for the connection of runtime. And it's done. Okay. In second step, it says create three different series, each of length 100, as follows. So we need to create three series, right? So three data sets kind of. So in S1, what it says, we first need to do pd dot series. Now it says the first a random number from 1 to 4. From 1 to 4 for this np dot random dot rand int. Then we simply need to pass 1. Then high time is 5. Size gotta be 100. And data type, let's say I'm taking long. Okay. Now let's copy this. In second one, it says the second a random number from 1 to 3. So we'll simply need to change some parts. So high 4 and rest will be of same. Then in third one, copy this. So it says S3, it says from 10,000 to 30,000. So our beginning would be 10,000 and high would be 30,001. Size is 100 and data type is long. All right. Wait a minute. So rand int the first one would be of capital. So S. All right. Then what we can do, we can simply print this three series S3 and it will give us the 3 time series. Okay, now it says let's create a data frame by joining by series by column. So we need to merge these 3 series by column. So let's name it as it's a house market. So house mkt, then pd dot concat. We need to pass 3 time series S1, S2, S3 in column wise. So axis gotta be 1. Then kt dot head, and that's it. We have 0, 1, 2. So we have created one data frame. Now it says change the name of the columns to bed rupees, bath rupees, and price square per meter. So let's do that. So house mkt, we need to rename. So we'll use rename function. Rename columns. Now for the first one, we name it bed rs. Then for the second one, we name it bath rs. For the third one, we'll name it as price square meter, and in place we need to make it true so that the change becomes permanent. And then we need to print the first 5 rows. So let's print this, and all right, so the column name has been changed now. Now the step 5 is create a one column data frame with the values of 3 series and assign it to a big column. Right. So now we need to create one column where we'll concat each and every series. So what we can do, we can simply do this, that let's say big column, right? Then simply if we pd concat and pass all the series as a in our list, then simply axis 0, because this concatenation will happen as per our row, right? It's done that. But one thing is there, it asks us to change that to a data frame, but it's still a series. So we need to convert this into a data frame. So big column, need to change it to a data frame. That's it. Then you simply, to see that if it's still a series or data frame, we'll use type, and you use big column. Then let's print the big column. You see that it's a data frame now, and it's look like this. We have 300 rows of 1 columns. All right. Now, oops, it seems it is going only until index 99, but actually we have more than that, right? In our actual one, we have 300 actually. So we need to increase that. So let's see, is it true? So len big column, and it giving us 300. So we need to reindex the data frame so it goes from 0 to 299. So to do that, we'll simply use big column dot reset index, and we'll drop true, and will in place true. Then we'll simply print our big column, and now you'd see we have index up to 299, right? So yeah, we have done some practice of using merging function. Okay, so thanks for watching.